What's up y'all, this is your boy Brgy General, and in this video I'm gonna show you the XCO Fun Race held on August 8, 2021 here in Catbalogan City. And I was actually quite nervous because it's actually my first time to race a mountain bike. That's why I ended up signing into the newbie category. And the race have actually started, so here we go. And I'm actually kind of nervous of what I'm going to feel, if I'm going to have any cramps or whatever. And here we go, the first uphill section of the race, and I'm actually quite nervous about how it will end up because my training was kind of scarce compared to the other contenders who I think they usually spend their time practicing uphills, but I usually spent my training in the trails. And here we are in the Maharlika Highway ascending to the trailhead, and in this moment, a kid just bumped into my rear wheel and he actually fell from his bike. And we are now entering the trail, and in this moment, I'm actually kind of chasing my breath. But the show must go on. It's probably the mind trying to play tricks with me. Ooh, and I forgot that hiking was also a part of the race, and good thing that I am used in doing this.
I would have and I flipped it in a double. Thought it I would have and I flipped it in a double. Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos. I see all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real.
So I actually forgot to change my gear to the lightest. That's why I experienced some kind of minor trouble in the trail, but still I was able to shred it and continue the race.
My circle you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the south. now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought. Hey, on this day is cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot, hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the fleet, I get 50 to my G.
And off we went to the first descending section of the trail. As you can see in this video, the contenders are half palaban and half trying to just have fun, just like me.
Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
Yikes, we have finally made it to the steep descending section of the trail. And some rode it, and of course, some have just pushed their bikes. And if you'd ask me, I just half sent this section. And off we went to what I call as the flow trail of the race. By the way, this is now the continuous descending part of the race. And here we are in what they refer to as the technical part of the trail. But for me, it was just kind of manageable because I used to ride this trail with some friends before the race. But generally speaking, and for those who are first timers on Samba Trail, it would seem kind of hard based on the fact that it is composed of roots, rocks, and it's actually a single track.